Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to download a view-only video from Google Drive. So first, open Google Drive and go to the video you want to download. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and adjust the Manage Access. There it is, it's only viewer only. Now I'm going to copy the link and paste it somewhere. So I'm going to paste it here. Once done, go back to Google Drive. And I'm going to switch account to make sure that I can still download the video even though it's on view only. Now I'm going to open the link using my other account. Tap on the three dots and you can download or send a copy. So let's send a copy. Scroll down and tap Save Video. This one. Now let's just wait for it to download. Alright, so let's check my gallery if it's saved. And there it is. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!